Hi, the CEO of ProBreeze has asked me to review one of their products, namely a mini ceramic heater, which I purchased from ProBreeze through Amazon on the 4th of January 2019. I would like to make it clear that this review will be totally impartial. I have no connection with the company other than as a customer, and I have not received a fee for this review. I paid for my heater in full. So first of all, the heater arrived in good time and in good working condition. Performed exactly as described on its Amazon page. I find the heat output from this small unit is amazing. The build quality is good and the operation is simple. On the top left of the unit is the temperature control dial, which I found to be precise in attaining the required room temperature. The red neon light in the centre indicates when the heater is in operation. To the right of this is the function control position. 1 is off position, 2 is low output with no oscillation, position 3 is high output to a maximum of 2000 watts with no oscillation, and position 4 and 5 are again low and high outputs, but both with 60-degree oscillation. I like the fact that there's no light produced from the heating element. The carrying handle is very comfortable to use. The unit has an overheat cutout, and if knocked over, the power is immediately cut off by way of a switch under the base. Return the unit to the vertical position and the unit resets. The fan is a little noisy, but efficiently and quickly projects heat across the area to be heated. I believe this small inconvenience to be acceptable. ProBreeze have produced a superb little heater, competitively priced, sturdily built, pleasing to the eye, and with good safety features. I have used this heater on a daily basis since earlier this month. I am very satisfied with my purchase and would highly recommend. I give this 5 stars.
Hi everybody, I'm just here to talk about the heater that I purchased from Amazon, which is absolutely brilliant, the ProBreeze. What's really positive about it is, as you can see, this is a really small room that I had to do up recently. My son is coming home from university. This is it, it's absolutely ideal. It's got these really simple valves on it here. My son's plan is to take a batch to uni with him. This is a really cold room, so what's fantastic about it is it fits in perfectly to the rest of the room and it really heats it all up really well. So I'm just endorsing this product, saying it's absolutely brilliant. My son's planning to take it with him to university as well, and it's completely safe. What I like about it is you can put it down on any surface, so I put it on the floor and everywhere, and it's totally safe. If it falls over, it's safe as well. And because I have a teenage boy, I like to sort of make sure that he's not going to do anything that involves setting fire to anything. So I just want to say it's really fantastic, really like it, and I recommend it to anybody. Thank you.
So that's the temperature control. I set it to the minimum. Yeah, so it stops working. But the off button is there.
Alexa, turn on breeze plug.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off breeze plug.
Okay.
Let's turn it on, set to max, and okay. Yep, seems to be working fine. Yeah, I thought it would light up, but it doesn't. But anyway, fine. Yeah, sounds good. It's moving. It's moving.
Coming up after the jump, Maxwell. With